Lords and ladies, welcome to an afternoon grandeur, romance and regal splendor. Today, let us be aware that we are in the presence of God.
Kapitan Jaime Torres sa atong district
Wala tayo maimuan eh.
John Patrick Eagles and Miss Unity, Hazel Joy B. Marquez. People, write your script. King Caniban and Miss Charity, Catherine L. Kabila. He is on the path to his way to make 2025. Requesting everybody to please rise. May I request an Analo Caballo, who has nurtured his aspirations and instilled in him the importance of hard work and perseverance. King Zed dreams of becoming a lawyer. It's now time to honor them for their remarkable contributions and Crystal D. Alvarado. 2024, Queen Hilary J. D. Valencia.
Had before you filled with gratitude, pride, and bittersweet emotion. Sylvia, searching of heart, has been teachers, supportive parents,
My beloved alma mater, Batalan Central Elementary School, teachers, parents, and most especially the Royal Court of the King and Queen of Hearts 2025. Today marks the end of my reign as your Queen of Hearts, a road that has been an incredible journey and a cherished memory I will carry with me forever. As I stand before you, my heart overflows with gratitude for love, support, and joy you have shown me during this journey. Being your Queen of Hearts, it has taught me that true royalty lies not in a crown or a title, but in kindness, respect, and the ability to bring smiles to others. It has been a privilege to represent the school and to witness the remarkable talent, creativity, and the unity of our community. As I pass the crown to our new Queen of Hearts, I feel a sense of pride and excitement. I know she will shine with grace and inspire us to continue spreading love, compassion, and excellence in everything we do. To the entire Royal Court of 2024, thank you for making this journey unforgettable. And to the King and Queen of Hearts 2025, congratulations on this well-deserved honor. May your reign be as memorable and meaningful as mine has been. With a grateful heart and a fond farewell, I step down not only as a queen, but as someone forever inspired by the love and support of this amazing school. Thank you, and may the reign of the King and Queen of Hearts 2025 be filled with love, unity, and success. I am Hilary D. Valencia, your Queen of Hearts 2024, extending my heartfelt farewell to each and every one of you. It has been an honor and a privilege to serve